Let's get some trader talk now from Tim Biggam at Delta Derivatives. Tim, is it time to get back into tech stocks?
I think tech is actually looking comparatively good here, Angie, given the way it held support. I would probably look to actually trim out of some of these oil stocks. They're getting overextended, kind of in the same way tech did at the beginning of the year. So I like, tech versus oil here. So a rotation play certainly here, kind of selling oil stocks if you own them or shorting them, use the proceeds to then roll into tech. Balance out the portfolio using relative performance to kind of keep in the market, but buying the dips and selling the rips that way.
What do you think about Chinese stocks?
I think the worst is probably over for those as well. Certainly, they've been a huge underperformer. Plus, the recent price action there as well is very similar to tech, where they're finally getting some support here. China's certainly doing things to help support the stocks as well. So I kind of like, the big Chinese names, the Babas of the world going forward here, certainly on a relative valuation basis.
Tim, what's your trade of the day?
Looking at ChargePoint CHPT, which has just seen unrelenting, massive call buying over the past week or so in the July at and out of the money calls. Implied volatility has gone through the roof here. Calls actually up more than the stock over the past week or so. So I'm jumping in, following that big call buying shares, selling these very expensive calls to lean bullishly with that call buyer, but capture the fact they're willing to overpay dramatically to get into the trade.
Good trader talk with some bullish trades. Nice to hear the word bullish. Thank you, Tim.
You bet. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.